Hi everyone, I'm Kseny and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This video focuses on Qigong for digestion. We're going to do some belly breathing that is very good for digestion system, combined with breathing sequence that is inspired by the 5-element Qigong and is very good for stimulating and energizing all major internal organs. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. We begin by bringing your hands together and rub gently until you feel warm. Focus primarily on the center of the palm and your fingers. Relax your shoulders down, relax your chest. And then when you begin to feel the warmth coming through, take that to the back of the hand as well. Same on the other side. Very good. Come back between the fingers. And then to finish, just dry wash your hands. Take that warmth all around. So your hands should feel nice and warm when you're finished with it. Very good. Then with an open palm, place your hands on the belly. We're going to do just simple circle rotation to transition or to bring that warmth from your hands to your belly. Bring awareness, warmth and comfort. When you do that, keep your shoulders relaxed, moving with the elbows and the forearm. And then bring your attention to your belly. Notice the warmth from your hands penetrates through. It feels nice and pleasant, comforting. It's very good to do first thing in the morning before breakfast. Very good. And then pause and do a few circles in the opposite direction. You can make a circle a bit bigger, covering the ribs and the sides, whatever feels comfortable. And then go back around the belly button and round again. Very good. Already a bit more aware of your stomach and the abdominal area. But then pause and slide your hands to the back. Gently bring the warmth from your hands to the back. So you should feel the same sensations. Now spreading in your lower back and maybe even inside to your kidneys. Just gentle frictions up and down. Very good. And then relax your hands down, let them rest, let them relax. Next, we're going to do some belly breathing. So bring your hands back to your belly. Take a nice inhale first, relax the abdominal muscle, and then when we exhale, move the belly in. So you provide a gentle massage, squeezing the whole area in, and then inhale, open again, relax. Then exhale, move it. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lots of awareness, lots of attention in your belly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one here. Inhale. Let the belly open and then exhale. Move it back in. Very good. Relax the hands by the side, and to kind of change the scene, relax from deep breathing, just twist and turn from side to side. Let your arms and your shoulders relax. Not too long, just for a few seconds. Very good. Then we're going to do the same belly breathing but in reverse. So we're going to actually inhale, suck the belly in, squeeze the whole area. So it's again, nice gentle massage for the abdominal organs. And then exhale, relax. Go, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lots of attention. Squeeze in the abdominal muscles and then let it relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Use your hands to help a little bit. And then exhale out. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. And then to finish, again, do a few gentle circles on your belly. Keeping that warmth, keeping awareness, sense of comfort and fullness underneath your palms. Very good. And a few in the opposite direction. Okay, very good. Relax your hands, and when you let your hands relax, bring your attention here. You still feel that warmth, lots of awareness, and lots of kind of sensations in your belly. That's very good. And then what we're going to do the breathing sequence. It has 5 movements combined with a mindful breathing. So step a little further than your shoulders, but keep your feet parallel. Sink down so your knees are actually looking out rather than going in. So the way to think about it is you're holding a nice ball in your lower body. So everything from your lower back, it's nice big round shaped ball. And what we're going to do, we're going to take another ball with our hands and the back. So 2 round shapes, kind of creating or holding your whole body together. That is a little bit challenging, so you will feel it in your knees. Try to sink down, find the stance that feel comfortable, relax the shoulders down, and try to kind of find a position that feels good. Bring your awareness to your knees and the lower body. Imagine a big round ball between your knees. You're almost sitting on it. Same time as you're holding a big ball in front of you. Hold this position with me for just a few seconds. Very good. And from here, we're going to sit down, keeping your knees out, as if you're scooping something. Lift towards the chest, straighten your knees, lengthen through the spine. And then we're going to exhale, big round shape in front of the belly. Then inhale again, stand a little taller and open to the side, as if you're sliding on a big ball. Then inhale, raise your hands to the shoulders. Exhale, sink back down, pressing towards the ground. And then the last, squeeze your shoulder blades, open the chest, and exhale, sink back down. Hold this position. You're still holding the ball, but your palms are nice and open. And then we begin again. Inhale, suck the belly in. Exhale, open. Inhale, belly in. Exhale, let it relax. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, towards you. Exhale, press out, sink back down. Hold this position. You should feel comfortable. Lots of awareness in the whole body. Lots of awareness in your hands, in between your knees. Feel connected through your feet. Nice long spine. And we begin again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, belly in. Exhale, belly out. Inhale in. Exhale. Press down. Inhale. And exhale. Stay with me here. We'll do one more repetition. Notice how your hands and your back and your legs begin to almost wrap up in a cozy blanket of something warm and pleasant. Very good. Last one here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, belly in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Hold this position and then slowly stand up. Bring the hands back in the center. Maybe even step out for more comfort and stability, and then take a nice big inhale all around you. Lengthen your body, reach up towards the sky, and then exhale down. Like a big wave of relaxation, washing over your body, all the way down to your feet. Relax the hand for the side. And then close your eyes and notice how your body feels. Welcome any sensation inside. It's almost like a nice refreshing waterfall rushing down, washing over your body. It feels nice and warm. The fingers maybe even heavy. Your belly, lots of awareness in your belly. Your hips are relaxed and your legs are almost covered in a nice cozy blanket. And from here, do a quick mental check how your body feels. You should feel relaxed, yet energized. So take this feelings of comfort and relaxation with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this routine. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.